Comprehensive Logistics is the #1 logistics and contract manufacturing provider to two of North America's largest automotive enterprises. The Ohio-based company runs fast-paced suspension, powertrain, and interior component assembly lines, leaving no room for error.
Our customers speak quality constantly, and when they come to us, we speak the same language. Everything is just in time, just in sequence, and that's what we do as a company. Comprehensive Logistics has one subassembly operation where the final check of the quality required us to validate an electrical connector was locked in position.
So we had a system in place before where we had stationary cameras in place that it served a purpose, but they couldn't get into some tight spots. They weren't nearly as repeatable, and I don't think that the data was as pure. Comprehensive Logistics had the opportunity to choose Universalrobots because it gave us a personalized system. It was a lightweight system that interacted well with humans. We didn't need to have the cumbersome light curtains that are required with some of the standard robotic systems in the industry. The inspection, if it's done by a human, is about 80% efficient. So Universalrobots provided us the opportunity to strongly position ourselves and get 100% quality. The dexterity of the Universalrobots is such that it can get pretty much anywhere on that assembly that we need to get. There are two plugins for the wire harness, and they have two locking devices. If there is an intermittent connection or it's not connected and locked into place, it is a loss of power steering, which the operator of the vehicle is in danger. It's a life-threatening failure mode, so that we need to 100% of the time make sure that those clips are locked. If the inspection fails, you are able to interact with the Universalrobot and go in and fix the issue. The return on investment is probably about 7 months. We had a turnkey operation that inclusively had an integrator included. The payback for the hardware for Universalrobots in itself would be probably less than 4 months. We have not had any issues with the robot since its implementation, aside from possibly adjusting some of the images on the camera unrelated to the programming of the robot. The Universalrobot provides Comprehensive Logistics a real-time, quick change kind of ability. If new requirements were to be given to us by our customer or different inspection criteria, then it's very easy to add inspection points to the process. If we lose power in the facility or there's some blip, even if it's interrupted by human interaction, you basically just need to reinitiate the robot and start it, and it continues to go from its stopping process. We could potentially replicate this process on other lines if the customer has mission-critical inspection points that need to be 100% quality.
It's like family. It's here before I am, during the day, and it's here when I leave. So, I mean, it's a part of the system. And I just take the robot on as another employee, basically.